Namaste, hi and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I'm using this black eyeshadow over the crease line area and blending it really well. I'm also applying the black eyeshadow below the waterline. I'm doing the same thing for the other eye too. It should exactly look like somebody has punched you on your face. Just kidding. Let's trust the process. Next, I'm using this white eyeshadow and applying it only on the inner corner of my eyes and blending it with the black eyeshadow. For the next part of the makeup, I'm using a bigger blending brush and applying the same black eyeshadow over my cheeks and forehead area. Next, I'm applying this blue shimmery shade all over the black eyeshadow. Next, I'm applying this dark blue shade on the outer corner of my nose and on my nose area. A bit on the forehead to give that intense look. Take an eyeliner and draw a thin line on the eyes to make your eyes pop. Next, I'm applying the kajal on my waterline. For mascara, I'm using the Fashion Color mascara. Next, with an highlighter, I'm using it to glow on the inner corner, nose bridge and also the arch of my eyebrows. For the next process, take a thin brush and white paint and draw a thin lines all over the face and create thunder-like structure. Just like you have seen in the video. Take a black lipstick and apply it to complete the look. Hope the video was helpful. If you guys like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.